Welcome to the buying a domain tutorial. Here we're looking at 123-reg.co.uk. We're going to show you how to buy a domain with these guys. It really is very simple. You go to 123reg, 123-reg.co.uk, and you'll find at the top of the page a search bar. In this search bar, I can search for the domain that I'm after. Do note, I am not putting in www. That is not necessary. I'm also, in this instance, not putting in a domain extension like .co.uk or .com or .co. I'm just going to search and see what is available for buy a domain, the main domain. I click on search. It will come back with some options for me. It's telling me at the top here that buyAdomain.co.uk has already been registered. It's also telling me that there are multiple other domain extensions that I could potentially buy. And it's also coming up with suggestions for other domains. So buyerdomains.co.uk is on offer here, or buyerdom.in, kind of similar. That's available for $14.99. But in this instance, I think I'm going to go for buyerdomain.info. So you will see here the real price is actually $17.99. That's plus VAT. In the first year, the price will be $1.99. But $17.99 is the price you want to look at, really. So I click on Add to Basket. It's checked that it is available. I will continue to the checkout. In the checkout, what will happen is 123reg will try to sell you other packages. Now here they're offering a website builder, and they're saying, well, if you buy this, we'll give you the domain for free. So we're going to actually remove this because we don't want this. We just want the domain. And then we will continue with the purchase. And once again, it's offering me the chance to upgrade and have something else here, an email hosting starter pack. I'm not really interested in this. I just want to buy the domain. So confirming the price here is $1.99 plus VAT, $2.39 in total. I'll go to the checkout. Now, you will need to create an account to buy. All the registrars have to actually attach a contact to the domain owner. So in this instance, I'll be create an account. I provide them with an email address, a password, confirm the password, and continue. And then you can purchase the domain. It's as simple as that.